Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to implement a fingerprint authentication in your Sketchware project. Watch the video till the end, so without wasting any time, let's get started. Using the fingerprint scanner would be a little bit complicated for the new user. So for the better understanding, I'll be taking you to the source code. As you can see that whenever we create a new project, Sketchware automatically imports some packages and classes at the initial stage so that we can use directly those features in our project. So for using the fingerprint scanner in our app, we need to manually import some packages by using add source directly block. Here I am, as you can see, I have used a Java code so that uh, it will be using the fingerprint scanner and requesting and here I have imported some packages which I will be providing you in the description. And here if a new user opens the app or the app is open, authentication is enabled for the first time, it will save the fingerprint of that user, and after that whenever again the app is open, it will check for the fingerprint is correct. If not, it is not correct, I am telling here a toast message error, it will toast a error message, and if the fingerprint matches, it will toast a message success. And make sure to open the app compatibility on, app compat and design to on. So let's run our app now. This is our user interface. Here I have added an image, and this is a text view and sign in button. Let's run. It will take some time because we have set the app compat to on. I am touching the fingerprint now. Yeah, that's what. This was in this video. Signing off for today. Thanks for watching.